Kung ako ang Bisayang hilaw, si Chance ang Tagalog ng hilaw, si Pare ang Amerikanong hilaw. Mga buhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne at ito ang magandang asawa ko na si Shanta.
Hello!
Yeah. So in today's video, we are gonna show you one of the secret spots of Siargao, okay? This is a secret spot we found by accident. Some locals brought us out there to see the Secret Lagoon. Hala. It's so maganda dun, as in promise. So we're gonna show you how to get there and where it is exactly. But first of all, this video is sponsored by Plato. Plato is a messenger app where you can play games, chill with your squad, meet people, and chat all in one app. Let's have a look at it. They have over 25 games available on Plato, including Werewolf. There's another game, Mini Golf. Werewolf sounds interesting. Okay, so now they've paired us up with, what, 6 other people to play this werewolf game. That Mac Ready guy looks like a werewolf, Shanta. I think he's the werewolf. Let's comment and say, Mac Ready is the werewolf, I think. Everyone agrees with us. Is Mac Ready the werewolf? Let's click kill. Oh no, Mac Ready was a villager. He wasn't the werewolf.
You killed it.
Dwanta is the werewolf. Dwanta, kill him. No, I'm innocent. This app has different chat rooms that you can join, okay, and just start chatting with people. You can play games with random people online via this app. Okay, see all the different chat rooms, Shanta. Oh, social lounge, love connection. Oh, love connection. Snap fam, English pub, the spot to chat with other English speakers. Oh, cool. Yeah, let's pop over in the English pub. Right, this is where everyone speaks English, Shanta. So we're gonna go, what's up, Dwanta fam? Is anyone here at Dwanta fam? So it's just this cool little social network where you can chat, play games, and meet new people, diba? No email address or phone number is required to sign up. And what's even better is there's no ads on this app, okay? Walang ads. There's a link in the description below. Click that link to download this app now and start chatting and playing games with Dwanta. Okay, so just search Dwanta. You'll see our picture there. That is us. Come and join us. Now, let's show you the secret spot in Siargao.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Woohoo! We made it to Siargao. Nindot kaayo. Dito sa Siargao, daghang pwedeng buhaton. Una sa tanan, pwede ka magatod dito sa Cloud9. Yan, there it is. When you go to Cloud9, you can see Cloud9, the big waves. Alright, so Cloud9 look out over the water, over the ocean.
Mas maganda pag mag-run kayo ng motorbike kasi maiikot nyo yung island.
Yes.
Let's go!
If you come to Siargao, I highly recommend getting a scooter. It's the best way to get around the entire island. You can do whatever you want, work on your own schedule, di ba, bebe? Nadlock ka?
Sige no!
Okay na?
So you can get to the shop, sa mga restaurants, ganun, mas mabilis.
Yes, tinuod. So there's another really cool place in Siargao that not many people know about. We were just riding our motorbikes through the mountains and then we came across this bridge that went over a river. And then there was this one palm tree that was sticking out over the river with a swing on it. So the locals, they stopped us and they said, hey, do you want to go on the swing? You know, they were just super friendly people, super easy to talk to and just lovely.
Parang diwata si Mama.
Toyo, Doa, Usa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I love
The locals that live around that river will take you there and, you know, show you all the cool spots. They'll even take you to a secret lagoon.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Maasing River. Umulan. Ang ganda sobra.
To get here from General Luna, just take the main road and then turn right when you get the Siargao Circumferential Road.
The water is so clear, you can see the green rocks. Okay, manawag na mo, hoy!
Tiny little secret lagoon in the middle of the jungle. Yeah!
Sa Maasing River. Malinaw talaga dito.
These locals in the middle of the jungle have just helped us out. They've just taken us here. We just drove past and they literally said, hey,
You guys want to jump on the swing? Alright.
Really wanted to help us out, really hospitable. Ingon na jud ang Pilipino, di ba, bebe?
Tama dito. Karon.
Sa Siargao. Kaon na.
Oh, good. Hoy! Hoy, sirena kasama ng mga syokoy!
Look like the boys are shy. You gonna kiss the girl.
Look how clear it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alis na kami sa Secret Lagoon ng Maasin River. Kalimutan ko, binigyan nila ako ng crown.
Bang ka nang nag-una? Mura mag-isig na sa ako.
Kaya sa Amerika.
Hello man eh. Wala mo palit kay Bisaya. Hindi kay mo palit dito kay Tantaro man eh kay mo palit di ba?
Dili ka, kabalo mag-English. Dili ka doon.
Patay ako doon.
Kami, dili pwede kami malibak. Ikaw lugod pwede.
Practice
Magaw kung makanto ko dito, mag-practice mo kong English.
Adili lang ako mag-practice English kay pag abot na doon nila baligya man ka. Mag-English.
Ihawon mo ko nila
Adili
dito.
bisag
Ano na lang ba ito?
Igsuon ba mo?
Dili.
Dili.
Naglahi mi nagnaong o dawa tanawa walang tawa.
Parehas lang big baragason. Pero baka lang baragason.
More fun in the Philippines, di ba? Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, abangan nyo ang susunod na video namin. Twanta fam out. Bye-bye!
I love Siargao! Let's go! Let's go!